Good morning, children. My name is Ms. Shravani Banerjee. I am taking your English 2. And I have made this video today to just inform you that throughout, that means from the starting, whatever we have completed, till now we have completed only 2 chapters, okay, from grammar. This is your grammar book, English grammar and composition. Okay, so from here we have only completed 2 chapters. The first, the sentence, and second one is the kinds of sentences. Okay, few of you have only sent me your notes which you have copied in your school copy, which you have to write in your school copy, because there were no books for you, so that's why you had to write in your rough copy. But now, as you have got your books and copies, so please do write it in your English 2 copy. Okay, and some of the things, some of the questions you are confused in which one you have to write in book or copy, so I'm showing it to you today, and please don't be confused. I'm reading out to you. See, this is our first chapter. Okay, this is our first chapter, the sentence. This all you will fill up in books, in book only. This also you will all fill up in book. From chapter 1, the first thing which you have to write in your copy is, this one you will fill up in book only. The thing which you have to write in copy is only the question answer which I give. Okay, from chapter 1. Then coming to next chapter, chapter 2, this brain twisters, okay, page number 9. Then this fun with colors also in book. This activity zone will have to be written in copy. You have to write in copy, because these are jumbled words, you cannot write in book. So this you will write in copy, and this also you will fill up in book. Okay, and if you have problem writing this in book due to your handwriting, it might appear, it might be problematic for you. The space is not that much enough here. If you have problem, then only you write in copy. Otherwise, if you can manage with your handwriting, then you can write in book itself. Okay, and I had told you the last week itself that complete your notes, and I had told you to submit it by Friday, but I have got very few response from very few students. I have got the response, I have seen your answers from very few students. Okay, most of you have not sent me, so please do send it to me, and you have to write everything in your copy, whatever I have mentioned to you now. Okay, from the beginning, from chapter 1 I have told you the question answer only, and remaining things only in book. Then chapter 2 also question answer you have to write, and only one thing, activity zone A number in copy. Okay, and the other remaining things you can complete in book itself. And then after completing all this, the assignment which I had given you, remember, I had given you 2 questions, no? One question was, I had given you some words. With those words you had to make the 4 different kinds of sentences, and one question I had given you where you have to find out if they are statement, questions, commands, all that. So that one also you have to write in copy. Okay, and the main thing which for which I have made this video is, please do complete your notes, so that now we can move forward. Okay, we have to complete our next chapters also. If you have to complete your notes, and please do send it to me by today's Monday. You can you take today's time, you send it, you positively complete it by today and show it to me. Okay, you do show it to me by today. You have today, then tomorrow on Tuesday you will be getting your next chapter. We will be starting our next chapter, so you just have today's time, you please complete it. And yeah, in your school copy, see, English 2 copy is only English 2 copy. Some of you have also asked me about if English 1 and English 2 should be in the same copy. No, English 1 separate copy, English 2 separate copy. And yes, one more thing, that it's a request, please don't take help of your parents or anyone else to write in the copy. Your school copy is only your school copy, okay? Only your handwriting should be present in your school copy. The notes, whatever we are writing, whatever we are doing, please do it by yourself. Only you will write. Help should be provided to you, because that is your notes, and school copy means you have to write by yourself. So please don't take the help of your parents to write the notes in your school copy. Anyways, you can take help, that what can be the question, or if you have not understood, you can take help, but please don't let your parents or anybody else write in your copy. Only your handwriting should be present. Okay, thank you.